Alright, what's up guys? We are still here and obviously everyone is having a good time. Good evening, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Patience.
Patience. I hope you have a lot of patience because it's not just by bearing the name, yeah?
I try.
You try your best. Because you need to live up to that name. Alright, so what are you expecting from MC Larry J's event today?
A whole lot. As Larry J is this person that you can't fall your hand. You can't fall your hand. So I'm
Word.
expecting a whole lot fun. I'm here to laugh my heart out.
Thank God it is your heart you are laughing out and not the other one.
Yeah.
Alright, so outside MC Larry J, which other of the performing acts or performing comedians are you willing to see tonight? Are you hoping to see tonight?
Okay, Kenny Black.
Okay.
Yeah, a whole lot of
There are a whole lot of them,
Yes,
but you remember Kenny Black?
Black.
Okay. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening and have a good time.
Thank you.
Peace out.